How confident are you when it comes to marketing your dropshipping business? This can be make or break for your business. And what if I told you in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to market it, but not only that, but for completely free. That's right. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I grew up my social media accounts for my dropshipping business for completely free. So let's just jump straight into it. Okay, and one of my first and favorite ways to market my business for completely free is going to be through Pinterest. Pinterest is an amazing platform that you need to be on when it comes to business because you can grow organically very easy. All you need to do is make high quality content, and because Pinterest is a search engine platform, you can be ranking for something and getting views from it for months to come. You know, on TikTok and like Instagram, it's for a day. So if it go viral, you might be getting views for a couple months, but it's rarely like a few months, and that's what you can do when it comes to Pinterest. And as you can see, over the last 30 days, my total audience is about 50,000 people. From this, I've gotten around 200 to 500 sales a month, which is a pretty decent amount because I don't have to use ads. I get a higher conversion rate. When you're using ads for drop shipping, your profit margins are very slim, $3 to $4, but because I don't do this, my profit margins are like $10 to $11, and this one store right here makes me around $3,000 to $5,000 a month just from 50,000 people audience size. So when it comes to social media, the most important part is your content. So let me show you exactly how I make my content. The first way is I actually don't really make it. I come over to TikTok and then I searched up my niche. So my niche for this page is cooking. So I search up cooking and I just scroll through and just find different recipes or videos that I won't want to promote on my TikTok account. So I'm just choosing a random one like this one right here. So once I click on it, I just hit copy link right here, and then their username too. We're going to need this because we want to credit them. We just want to steal the content without crediting them. And then we come over here to snaptic.app. Paste in that link, hit download again, and then it'll download it to your files. And then come over to Pinterest, hit create new pin. And then the video that we have is this one right here. So we want to add that in. And right here, it look like cheesy potatoes with steak. So I'm gonna just call it cheesy steak potatoes. And then the description, I'm just gonna put in a short description about the video. And then after that, I'm gonna go back over to TikTok, get this username right here, your username, this one right here, copy it, come back over to Pinterest, hit enter, and then I'm gonna hit credit. I'm gonna say credit, and then I'm gonna put in their username. So credit culinary chemistry. And then right here, down here, it has a destination link. This is why I like Pinterest so much. For every pin you create, you can have a destination link for your product. So because on other platforms like Instagram or TikTok, you can only have it in your bio, but for every single last pin you create for Pinterest, you can have a different link, which makes this powerful. So for my link, I'm gonna just come over to my store, and then this link up here, I'm gonna copy it for this product right here, come back over to Pinterest and paste in the destination link. So now once I publish it and somebody push on this, they'll be taken to my store and they can buy my pen now. And let's say this pen get 1,000 views, 10,000, or maybe even 100,000 views off of this free pen right here that we got from TikTok. We can start making money easily just like that. Okay, and the second way that I create pins on Pinterest is creating myself using Canva. Canva is a free app. They do have a paid version that offers you a lot of great features, but you can use it for completely free. So all you need to do once you come over to Canva is hit create a design, and it's right here, say Pinterest pin. It's already formatted correctly for you, so all you need to do is just click on it. So once you come here, whatever your niche in right here, it should already have it highlighted as design. Use 5+ words to describe. All you need to do is put in whatever niche you're in. So I'm gonna put in cooking because you know it's around cooking products. Hit that, and then just scroll through and see a pin that you want to customize. So this one right here looks, I like this one right here. This one looks pretty cool. And now what I want to do is just come over to my store, download my picture, save it, and then come back over here to Canva, and then I want to upload my picture that I just saved. Then I'm gonna get rid of this and get rid of that one. I'm gonna move this smiley face down here. I like that smiley face. I'm gonna put this cooking right here. You can customize this if you want to, to say something else, but I like the cooking, so I'm gonna, just leave it as cooking. And then, I'm gonna put this down a little more so I can put the picture. I'm gonna put the picture right there, and I'm gonna add in the picture. And then for this is why it's nice to have, the paid version. It only costs $10. I'm gonna hit, because I can hit edit photo and I can remove the background. If you don't have it, it's fine. You can just leave it like this, you know, for whatever picture you have. But I'm gonna remove the background now, and then I'm gonna make it a little bigger, and then boom, just like that, I've created me a nice looking pen. Cooking is a way of loving others, and I got the product right here. So now I can download the pen, and then once I download the pen, I can come back over to Pinterest, hit create new pen, and then, you know, add in a title for this, which I can call this the perfect breakfast pen, and upload the pen now. So that's the pen right there, and then, you know, put in my description. So just a little short description: ready to cook breakfast? This is the perfect pan for your breakfast desires. You know, just something you know, short and cute. And then once again, I need to come over here and get my link from my store, which is up top. So I'm gonna highlight this again, copy it, come back over to Pinterest, put it in my destination link, and then boom, that's all I need for my pen. I got my title, my short description, my link, and then, you know, my actual pen that we just created on Canva that took us less than 5 minutes. And, you know, and if you're making 1 to 3 a day and putting out content over the next year, because, you know, it does take time. This is a free way, but you will grow up your account, and it's not going to take you a whole year to start getting sales. You know, it might take you 3-4 months of, you know, consistent pinning, but once you do, you know, you're getting free sales off of that. So just make sure you're posting 1 to 3 times a day. And in the beginning, if you're not getting no sales and you don't see a return, it's okay, because it does take a little bit of time sometimes for Pinterest to pick up on your pins. So just keep pinning. Okay, and that right there is the first way that you can use Pinterest to market your dropshipping business. It's one I've been using for a while, and it works great. It does, like I said, it does take time, so be patient. But let's move on to the second way, and the second way is going to be through Facebook. Facebook is another great platform that you can market on. As you can see, this account right here, I've been having it since, I believe, August 2022. I got over 17,000 followers now on this account, and it's not that hard at all to market on Facebook. It's pretty much the same as Pinterest, but for this one, you gotta actually make your own content. Like this right here is one of the things I sell on this account, and as you can see, I'm just featuring a product. You know, this is for all my messy ears who always spill crumbs everywhere, and I'm just you know, showcasing a product. That's all it is, really. And as you can see, it only got 8 likes for this video, but once we go here, it got over 8,000 views. You know, not all of your videos are going to get this, but that's a lot of people when you think about it seeing this. This actually brought me in a couple sales, you know. So don't just look at, you know, oh, I only got a couple likes or something, because if you're getting enough reach, it doesn't really matter. You know, if you're getting a lot of views on your product. So if you're getting around 1,000, 2,000 plus views, that's a lot of eyeballs on your product, because, you know, like I said, you're marketing for free. So if you just can get a couple sales a day, you know, at like a $10 profit range, just 3 or 4, that's $30 to $40 a day just off of, you know, one store. And if you have multiple stores doing this, it can really benefit you. So all you need to do to go on the Facebook route is like come over to your supplier. So if you're like with AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping or something, just find your product, order it, and then start marketing it, because you can create a limited amount of videos with your product. So let's say you're making 1 to 3 videos around your product a day, you know, come up with the ideas and then filming them. It'll take you no more than, you know, 30-40 minutes creating like little, you know, short videos that's no longer than 10 seconds. So I'm pretty sure you can spare about 30 to 45 minutes a day creating this, because, you know, once you do this, your account starts to grow up whatever niche you in. So just make sure you stick to your niche too. Like for me, I'm in the cleaning niche. This is Crisp So Clean, and my product is a cleaning product. So just make sure you stick in your niche, because now you can create different videos like this one right here. This is your daily reminder to dust off knickknacks around your house. And this is how this type of video, you don't have to always make videos around, you know, your product. You can make little videos like this, you know, just giving out like cleaning advice or something, or cooking advice, whatever your page is about. Just make, you know, your content around it. The longer you put out the content, the more views you're going to get and the more money you're going to make once your account grows up. It's really that simple, marketing your product when it comes to Facebook. All you need to do is buy your product from your supplier, or you could even go to Amazon if you don't want to wait that long shipping time, because it's the same product. You just got to type it in and find it, and then order it and start making 1 to 3 videos a day around that, or just in your niche. And boom, give it, you know, a half year, a year, and you have a grown account making you some money on passive. Well, you know, except for the fact you have to, you know, make the videos. But other than that, you know, you don't have to spend no money for ads or anything. And it only takes like 30 minutes to 45 minutes a day. So it's time for you to get started on it. Okay, and on to my last and pretty much my favorite way to get started with a dropshipping store for completely free, and that is a blog. A blog is a great way to build up some traffic. For blogging, it's the most passive out of the sources as well, because with a blog, let's say you make 50 to 100 blogs and you kind of set them and forget them, they can still be bringing you in money for a year or two with very low maintenance. So this is why I like blogging. It does require a lot of work up front and a lot of learning too, but it does pay off in return. And this one right here is my website that I have. It's called WebStart Ventures. It has a lot of blogs on here now. I've been blogging on this one for quite some time. I think it's over 100 now, I'm pretty sure. So this is the website I've been doing it on, and all of them has and different links that pretty much link back to the product that I'm selling. This one is a little different because the product I'm selling on my blog is a digital one, so it isn't just regular drop shipping using like AliExpress or CJ drop shipping or something. It's a digital product, which is a very high profit margin because there's no shipping or nothing like that. So it's just money I'll be able to keep. But going to just a straight website route and getting web hosted from like Name Hero or SiteGround or something, this does cost money. But I just wanted to show you what you can do with like just a regular blog. You have your own categories and you got your own web domain and everything, which is really nice. But going the free route, you can definitely use one something like medium.com. Medium.com, I blog on here as well. It's a blogging platform. I've been blogging on here for quite a while now, and I think I made quite a few blogs too. Let me see how many it is now. Yeah, I've made 125 blogs on here now. And usually it takes like probably I would say anywhere from 5 to 7 days to make a good blog. So as you can see, this is quite a few blogs now. But the thing is, with blogging on somewhere like medium.com, you can have in your links. So let me go to one of my blogs that you can see. I got my picture right here, and then I got in the describing what I'm talking about. My title is Why Every Blogger Needs an Offline Blog Editor. So that's what it's talking about. And if you scroll down some, keep scrolling, I have a link right here. So when you click on this link, it takes you to Skillshare. This is an affiliate link, and I'm doing affiliate marketing too in this. So when somebody clicks on a link and they sign up for Skillshare, I get paid as well for that. So with blogging, you can have multiple ways that you make money, not just from your product. Like you can blog about your product, but let's say you're in a cooking niche or the cleaning niche or something, you can have in like a cleaning product from like Amazon or somewhere as well. So it brings in multiple ways you can earn. And when you scroll down some more right here, if you want a full breakdown of how to properly start your next online income, this is where my digital product comes in at. And when they click here, they get taken to my digital product. And that right there is pretty much all I do when it comes to blogging. I just put in my links and just create my blogs. So I know a lot of people, blogging isn't as fun. I've been blogging for quite some years, and I enjoy it, but it can be quite challenging sometimes. But don't worry, we're in the age of AI right now. Back in the day, it used to take you a long time to research and do different things, but you can use ChatGPT to create your blog. So just all you need to do is just put in whatever topic you are in. So let's say I wanted a blog about, write me a blog about, let's see here, tacos. Let's say I just want a blog about some tacos, write me a blog about tacos. It's the culinary symphony of tacos, a flavorful journey. That's actually a good title. Look at all this is this doing. This is a really good, this is going in. This is doing a lot, just from write me blog about tacos. Now you can just go through it, see what you like, and then go to like a different website to make sure it ain't plagiarized and everything. Go to a plagiarized checker because you don't want to be plagiarizing somebody. I'm pretty sure ChatGPT sometimes does that. So just go to somewhere to check, make sure it's good, and just go through all the story. And as you can see, you can add to it if you want to, but you could just copy all this and come back over here to medium.com, hit write, and it's that easy. You got you a whole story, and it even gave you a title. Put in your title right here. So let me first get the title. We're going to add it in right there. Next, all we need to do now is just get the introduction and the origin story and all of this. So let me keep wanting to copy the title. There we go. All right, now we scroll down and copy all of this, and then we come back over here to Medium, boom, paste all of that in. And as you can see, we got us a pretty W blog. Oh, and let's not forget a photo, because photo is always nice. You can come back over here to canva.com to get you a photo, hit create a new design, custom size, and then you want to hit 1200 by 628, put that in, hit create new design, and then again you can just type in tacos, you know, because that's what your story is about, and then boom, I like this one right here. So I'm gonna click that, and then once it's downloaded, I can come back over here to medium.com, push in, paste in my photo, and just like that, I got me a nice blog that quick. And let's not forget our link, because you know we need our link because we want to get paid. So get the link, come back over to Medium, and then let's say you wanted to have this as a link. Just highlight this, and then right here we got 2 chains, hit that, copy it in, and then hit enter. And as you can see, it's your link right here. So when somebody click on it, it takes them to your store, whatever link you have. Boom, just that easy. You know, so now you can create as many blog posts as you want on Medium, and it brings in the traffic for you. And just like that, you can start getting paid from blogging on medium.com. All right, and that right there is my top free ways you can start marketing with drop shipping. I hope you are able to start a good, successful drop shipping business, and be patient. This is free ways, so you're not going to be able to start making money the next week, or probably not even the next month, but you need to make sure you're just staying consistent, because that's all that really matters when it comes to this. You know, with Facebook and Pinterest and Medium, you just need to consistently show up and make content, and I guarantee you're gonna succeed, you know, because like I said, you do this for a year, 2 years, 3 years, your money's just gonna keep growing. You know, it's gonna start off with just, you know, a couple dollars, you know, from each sale, and then boom, next thing you know, it's $100. Next thing you know, it's 1,000, then 5,000. It just keeps growing from free organic traffic, which is the best part, because you're gonna have the highest profit margins with that as well, because you don't have to pay for ads. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I wish you good luck in your drop shipping journey, and until next time.